Hi everyone, welcome back to the NeTech channel. In this next video, I'll be showing you how you can remove the background of any image using the AI feature on Microsoft Paint. Now, Microsoft Paint has recently had a new feature that allows you to remove the background of an image using the Paint image editor on Windows. So we're going to go right to launch the Paint app. So once we have launched Paint, the next thing to do is to click on File and then click on Open, and you'd want to select the image that you'd like to remove the background. So just click on the image and add it to Paint. So once the image has been added to Paint, the next thing you'd want to do straight up is to click this AI feature that says remove background. So just go ahead and click on that, and as soon as you do that, the background is removed of the image. This is about the most coolest feature to come to Paint. So guys, that's how to go about removing the background of an image on Paint. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.